Hello everyone, my name is David Fleming, and today we're going to be talking about the capture methods for the spotted turtle, Chlimys guttata. We need to ask ourselves, who is a spotted turtle? And they're a relatively small species, with adults being around 3 to 5 inches. They have a sleek black shell with vibrant yellow spots splattered across. They love shallow waters that are slow moving, and they inhabit wetlands such as coastal floodplains. Their range stretches all the way from Canada to North Florida and have low population numbers throughout and are considered imperiled or vulnerable in many areas. They can be found in the mud or under logs and rocks, which makes them elusive and hard to find for researchers. Our first capture method is going to be hand capturing, and this is a traditional method that has been used widely for spotted turtles, with studies as recent as 2020 still using this method. And this is kind of a catch them as you can with nets or your hand. They're usually done during visual encounter surveys where you count how many turtles you observe and try to catch as many as you can. Some efforts have shown observers sighting up to 61 turtles but only being able to catch 17. Another traditional method is the hoop net, and this is used for most turtle species. It's a one-way funnel trap that works in deeper waters. Most designs have to be anchored down in some way for them to hold tension and work. Now these need to have space left at the top for the turtles to breathe while they're trapped, and they're often baited to help lure more. Our next capture method is a Jones trap, or a modified crab trap. These have two lower entrances, allowing them to work in shallower waters, can even be effective during dry periods. They're easily baited. They need plenty of room from the bottom to the top to allow space for the turtles to breathe, as you can see in the bottom picture. But this can make it more bulky and difficult to set up. The sturdy metal materials they're made out of means they are unaffected by larger animals such as mammalian predators trying to get to the turtles within, or larger alligators which could potentially damage other traps when walking by. They can be anchored down to prevent them from moving in flowing water, but they need to be removed during flooding or heavy rain as they cannot float and the turtles can drown when they're trapped inside. Our final capture method is a mesh funnel trap, and this is the one I would recommend to researchers. They're often called minnow or live bait traps, and they have entrances on both sides and can be made out of a metallic wire or a fabric like mesh. The trap can be baited to lure more turtles, and they are collapsible, making them super lightweight, easy to transport and set up in the field. They are often anchored into the ground to keep them from being washed away by moving water, and they can even have floaters attached, which helps keep captured turtles from drowning within the trap during flooding or heavy rain. This is extremely effective in areas with fluctuating water levels, which the spotted turtle loves to inhabit. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.